Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update OneDrive sync and controlled folder access, full guide step by step clearly. To update OneDrive sync, begin by right-clicking the OneDrive cloud icon in the system tray. Select Settings from the context menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to the About tab. Click on the version link to check if you're running the latest version. If not, go to the Microsoft website and download the latest version of OneDrive. Once downloaded, double-click the installer to begin the update process. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. After the update, restart OneDrive to ensure the changes take effect. Now, to manage controlled folder access, open the Windows Security app. Navigate to Virus and Threat Protection in the left sidebar. Scroll down to find Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection to access controlled folder access. Toggle the switch to enable controlled folder access if it's not already activated. Next, click on Protected Folders to adjust your protected folder settings. Add folders that you want to protect from unauthorized access. To allow specific apps through controlled folder access, click on Allow an app through controlled folder access. Then, click Add an. After making all adjustments, close the settings window to save your changes. Finally, restart your computer to apply all updates and settings effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.